Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, Topic A, Bia agus Deoch. Level A1, Topic 9, Food and Drink. Level A1, Topic A, Rannóg a hocht, Biachlár don bhricfeasta, ag díriú isteach Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1, Topic 9, Section 8, a breakfast menu focusing on writing. Biachlár don bhricfeasta, a breakfast menu. Le múna, cineálacha éagsúla bia, dí agus cuasaí a ainm naming different types of food, drinks, and courses. Like an bhuileog, Biachlár don bhricfeasta uait don Scríbhneoireacht seo, you'll need the handout, a breakfast menu for this activity. There's a link to the handouts and the notes in the description box below. Biachlár don bhricfeasta, a breakfast menu. Tátaid fannacht in Óstán na Corbre, thar ihe. You are staying in the Corb Hotel overnight. Tá Biachlár don bhricfeasta sa seomra leapa agat. You have the breakfast menu in your room. Caithfidh tú do bhricfeasta a ordú. You need to order your breakfast. Sulan ordíonn tú do bhricfeasta, déan iarracht na focail Gaeilge chlé, a bheit seo leis na focail Mhéarla dheis an seo thíos. Before you order your breakfast, try to match the Irish words on the left with the English words on the right below. Biachlár don bhricfeasta. Ispíní, bagún, trátaí, tósta, salad turkey, arán bailliadan, potóghúf, gránach bhricfeasta, pasty or taisrán, scóna, potóg bhain, lete. And now the English list: scone, fruit salad, porridge, bacon, black pudding, pastry, tomatoes, toast, homemade brown bread, sausages, breakfast cereal, and white pudding. Agus anois na freagraí, ispíní, sausages, bagún, bacon, trátaí, tomatoes, tósta, toast, salad turkey, fruit salad, arán bailliadan, homemade brown bread, potóghúf, black pudding, gránach bhricfeasta, breakfast cereal, taisrán or pasty, pastry, scóna, a scone, potóg bhain, white pudding, and lete, porridge. And here's the numbers and letters matched if that's the way you answered it. 1J, 2D, 3G, 4H, 5B, 6I, 7E, 8K, 9F, 10A, 11L, and 12C. Anois, cuir na focail in Abertí cosúla ihim lete no ní ihim potóg bhain. And now put the words in sentences like I eat porridge or ní ihim potóg bhain, I don't eat white pudding. Anois rachamí tríd agus is féidir leat d'Abertí a léamh amach. And now we'll go through them and you can read your sentences out loud. Ispíní, bagún, trátaí, tósta, salad turkey, arán baile dom. Agus inis, críoch mé ceist duna earth, and now I'll ask you some questions. An ihan tú potó rúf? An ihan tú gránach bhricfeasta? An maileat teasrán? An ihan tú scóna? An maileat potóg bhán? An ihan tú lete? Agus inis, líonaisteach an cárta seo chun de bhricfeasta a ordú. And now fill out the card to order your breakfast. Óstán na Carterbre, Gaeilge, Corrup Hotel, Galway. A yield. Dear guest, líon an bhilóg seo chun de bhricfeasta a ordú le de hall. Fill out this form to order your breakfast, please. Tá list the híos den na rudaí atá ar fáil. There's a list below of the things that are available. Le Mas an Banistore. Regards, the manager. Siomra, cead, dahadadó, an data, so the room number and the date. Raibh chóirsa, príomh chóirsa, cinál aráin, what type of bread. Deoch fúr, cold drink. Deoch te, a hot drink. Agus isce mianra, no suaráiste, no banya. Mineral water, orange juice or milk. Té live, no cafe. Tea, herbal tea or coffee. Raibh chóirsa is salad, turkey, cosh, pasta, lete arán baile don no toast the bon. Agus an príomh chóirsa bhricfeasta Eorpach no bhricfeasta Eorpach. And now pause the video and fill out your order form, and when you're ready, come back and I will take your order from you. For example, cad bhfuil don bhricfeasta? I'll ask you, what would you like for breakfast? And you'll answer, for example, bhfuilim salad turkey agus bhricfeasta Eorpach, gline suaráiste agus cupán té le de hall. I'd like fruit salad and an Irish breakfast, a glass of orange juice and a cup of tea, please. So fill out your order form and be ready to answer my question. Cad bhfuil don bhricfeasta? What would you like for breakfast? Déan cleachta de bhricfeasta a ordú, so practice ordering your breakfast. When úsáid as an cárta a líon tú isteach. So use the card that you filled out. Beag an bhilóg Biachlár don bhricfeasta Eorpach nó Eorpach uait don gníomhaíocht seo. So you'll need the handout, Irish or European, for this activity. Eorpach nó Eorpach, Irish or European. Cén cinál bia a áitir I bhricfeasta Eorpach agus bhricfeasta Eorpach. So what type of food do you get in an Irish breakfast and a European breakfast? Scríbhneoireacht 3 Biachlár don bhricfeasta an seo híos ag buint úsáide as an bhóclór húsluaite. So write out 3 menus for breakfast below using the vocabulary above. Caithfidh tréithe bhricfeasta Eorpach nó tréithe bhricfeasta Eorpach a bheith soléir I ngach ceann. So the characteristics of an Irish breakfast or a European breakfast must be evident in each one of your menus. An sin, lé amach de Biachlár do the fortnéir agus beg nó airthaí, Biachlár Eorpach nó Biachlár Eorpach a ahint. Then read out your menus to your partner and they will need to identify whether they are an Irish breakfast or a European breakfast. Again, you can do this if you have a study buddy. If not, just make sure that the menus that you fill out do indeed reflect either an Irish breakfast or a European style breakfast. Agus sin deir le Rannóg Biachlár don bhricfeasta. And that's the end of section 8, the breakfast menu. Le múna cineálacha éagsúla bia dí agus cuasaí a ainm nu. So, naming different types of food, drinks and courses. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.